The vowel A is pronounced like A. For example, salah, malam, and makan. The vowel A is pronounced like at the end of the words example, mata, apa, and bila. The vowel E is pronounced like For example, selamat pagi, terima kasih, and ampat. The vowel I is pronounced like E. Example, ini, kini, and nanti. The vowel O is pronounced like O. Example, orang, moto, and kopi. The vowel U is pronounced like U. Example, buku, satu, and dulu. Many consonants in English and Malay sound similar, but there are some differences in pronunciation. The consonant B, for example, buku, batu, and bantu. The consonant D, for example, dua, dapo, and duduk. The consonant G, for example, gula, gigi, and garam. The consonant K, for example, kita, kucing, and kampung. The consonant M, for example, makan, minum, and mata. The consonant N, for example, nama, nasi, and nanas. The consonant P, for example, pintu, pasar, and pelaja. The consonant T, for example, tigar, tangan, and tidur. Here are some unique Malay consonants. The consonant C, for example, cinta, cari, cantik. The consonant NY, for example, nyanyi, nyamu, and banyak. The consonant NG, for example, bunga, langit, and sungai. If you have learned something, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.